It's Flashcard Friday. I know you've not got your days on. It's in fact Thursday night, but I am going away tomorrow morning and I will be on a plane pretty much all day. So we're doing it tonight because I'll be missing tomorrow. So starting off with a national 5, what makes up the mass number? This one is for the higher lot, but national 5 is relevant to you as well. What is the definition of an ionic bond? Me picking this one might be a bit of a touchy subject to anyone sat the higher paper last year because, as we know, we learned about this in National 5, but it was actually a definition that was asked for in the higher paper this year. And from what I saw on social media, you guys were not happy. And then for advanced hires, what is meant by a heterogeneous catalyst? Answers in 4, 3, 2, 1. So the mass number is quite obviously the mass of an atom, but is made up of the protons plus the neutrons. So basically everything that is inside the nucleus. The definition that the SK were looking for in the higher exam for an ionic bond this year was in fact the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions. And if you didn't have the phrase electrostatic in there and you didn't mention that they were oppositely charged ions, then you didn't get the mark. And then a heterogeneous catalyst is a catalyst that is in a different state to the reactants. If you study biology, you will be familiar with hetero and homo as prefixes to words, hetero meaning different, homo meaning similar, because you learn about heterozygous and homozygous when you do genetics. But then just in general everyday life, we all know about heterosexual, homosexual, where if you're a heterosexual relationship, you're with a partner of a different sex, and if you're in a homosexual relationship, you're with a partner of the same sex. This is where the knowledge of the Greek language can be very helpful because hetero means different and homo means same. So if it's a heterogeneous catalyst, it's a different state, and if it's a homogeneous, it's the same state as the reactants. Don't forget, if you want to set my flashcards for your level of chemistry, you can find them on my website, and I will see you for Flashcard Friday again next week.